Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time, welcome. This should hopefully be a very exciting video. So as I'm sure you know by the title already, we're traveling to Croatia. Sorry about the noise, but we are flying Polish Air, or LOT. I don't know which one's their name. I've heard them called LOT and Polish Air. So yeah, I haven't started packing yet, but we are departing in 8 days. 8 days to departure. So we're going from LAX to Wow to Zagreb in Croatia. Zagreb to Wow to LAX, which is back home. So, oops, sorry. Yep, so very excited. Like I said, I haven't started packing yet, so I don't really have anything to focus on, and I apologize. I so apologize because it's been so long since I've done a video. I've just had so much going on because next week is my last week of school. It's been very stressful with all the final stuff that we need to do. It's had too much going on, so to really go out and explore, go on LV tours. It's been about 6 years since we've been to Croatia. Excuse me, I'll be filming as much as I can. As you guys know, sometimes that, if you watched my previous videos on, flying, you'll know that sometimes things go wrong, files get corrupted. Sometimes it's just not the best video. Because, you know, since my family and I don't travel very often or fly, it can be very stressful because we're not used to it. And yeah, that's about it for this segment. I will give you guys an update a few days before we leave. But yeah, alright. Oh yeah, one more thing. While I'm in Croatia, I'm gonna film a bunch of elevators. So, you know, they've got a lot of skyscrapers there, and I know a family that lives in the skyscrapers, so we have access to them, which is very exciting. Anyway, so I know you guys haven't seen my room in like forever, but I never really told you guys that right there is a poster of an Airbus A320 cockpit. It looks pretty cool in my opinion. Some new things that have happened is nothing really. I mean, got rid of my Google Home Mini and Echo Dot 3rd Gen. This is the Echo Dot 4th Gen Google Nest Mini. I got this Aria diffuser from a friend from Young Living, which I'm very happy about. I was able to fix it. I just need to add some water. And this Desert Mist diffuser from that same friend. So shout out to you if you're watching this. You know who you are. Yeah, so those are new. Yeah, we still got Curtis, our robot vacuum. I was gonna do a video on this IKEA diffuser, or air purifier, but I didn't actually get to it. I don't know. I got the hub and the purifier. So I think it's pretty cool. It's like a table that spits out clean air either side. And yeah, sorry, I just realized I'm at 4 minutes of just talking. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in what, like maybe 7 days to do before we leave. Alright. Alright, good morning guys. It is currently around 8:15, 16 here in California. Today's the day of our travel. Very excited, but a little bit nervous. There's my cat Otter. She's happy because she slept a lot. I'm whispering because one of my parents is sleeping, but we're leaving at about 10:45. Luggage, carry-ons, there's a check-in carry-ons, and then we also got backpacks that we're gonna carry on the aircraft. I think I said this before, but I believe we're flying a Boeing 777. I know it's some sort of Boeing 777. I think, yeah, that's it. But yeah, very excited. I'm gonna try and film as much as I can, but it's really stressful because we don't fly that often, so it's really stressful to have to film while traveling because we don't travel often, so we're not really used to it. Excuse me. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the car.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for, yeah, she asked for, she asked for something beautiful. She mystifies me, tell me what I did wrong, I plead. Never did I think we would be loving for another day. But she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. Something beautiful.
Croatia.